Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps disconnecting on the application of Google Wallet. We click on settings. Here in this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Google Wallet. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.